Children, in this picture you can see that the letters are AN from the blue bar, AP from the green bar and AT from the orange bar. The letter which is common, that is A. A gives the sounds that A. You know A's phonic sounds is A. Okay. So if N is joined with A, which sound is coming? We will learn. So now look at the bird, that blue bird. We will learn the phonic sounds which comes together, that AN. A's phonic sounds means A gives the sounds like A and N gives the sounds like Okay. So AN together makes the sound Okay. The first word is can. CAN. So the phonic sounds are k, a, n, can. Next is fan. FAN. The phonic sounds are fan. Next, number 3, man. The word is man. The phonic sounds are an, man. Next, number 4, the word is pan. 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 The phonic sounds are pan. Next, the word is ran. RAN. R makes the sounds like r. Okay. Ran. And the last word, this is van. 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 V makes the sounds like v. Van. Okay, clear? Now go to the next bar, that is green bar. It's about the sound A with P. So A and P together make the sound like A's phonic sounds like A and P's phonic sounds like P. So it's together makes the sound app. Okay. The word is, the first word, cap. 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 So the phonic sounds are k, a, p. Cap. Okay. Next word is lap. 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 The phonic sounds are l, a, p. Lap. Okay. But when you are saying, when you are pronouncing the word, don't say like lap. Okay. I am elaborating the phonic sounds. That's the sound is coming like this. But when you pronounce the word, you have to say lap. La, l, a, p. Lap. Understood? Next, third word is map. 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 The phonic sounds are a, p. Map. M gives the sounds like and N gives the sounds like Okay. Next word is nap. 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 So the phonic sounds are a, p. Nap. Next word, rap. 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 So R makes the sounds like r. Okay. So r, a, p. Rap. The last word is tap. TAP. the sounds that t, t. So the phonic sounds are t, a, p, tap. Next, the last bar, that is orange bar, and it's together A and T. The letters are A and T. So A and T together makes the sound at. A gives the sounds like a and T gives the sounds like t. So together it's coming at. Okay. So the words are, first one is bat. Phonic sounds are b, a, t, bat. Number 2, cat, C-A-T, cat. So the phonic sounds are k, a, t, cat. Next, third word is fat, F-A-T, fat. F phonic sounds is f, f, f. Okay, so f, a, t, fat. Next, number 4, the word is hat, H-A-T, hat. H gives the sounds like so a, t, hat. Next, the word is mat, M-A-T, mat. M sound is, the phonic sounds are a, t, mat. And the last word is vat, V-A-T. V gives the sounds like v, v. So the phonic sounds are f, a, t, vat.